With the revolutionary new root straightener from Kiss, your hairstyling experience will be better than ever before. No more scalp burning like you get with the old-fashioned hot comb. The Kiss Root Straightener is a much safer alternative as you style, straighten, and lift your hair close to the hairline. With the heat-resistant ceramic barrel, you get right to the root without getting burned. This innovative design is also ideal for volumizing the hair, straightening your edges, and smoothing the top layer of hair for a quick fix. No more pulling and tugging on your hair trying to get it straight. The ceramic barrel conditions the hair, while the temperature control gauge and the unique design allow you to get close to the roots and grab more hair to straighten without burning your scalp or pulling your hair. The Root Straightener from Kiss also features an adjustable temperature heat setting dial that goes up to 450 degrees, so you now have total control over how hot or not your tool gets. By controlling the temperature, you can manage your comfort level and set the right temperature to create the style you desire. Get rid of that old annoying straightening comb and get the Kiss Root Straightener, a must-have tool for your at-home styling needs. It's especially great for your kids. With the stress-free glide and no scalp burning features, your little ones will experience no more tears. You too can achieve stunning looks or simply refresh an old look at home in minutes with this simple-to-use root straightening tool from Kiss.